In today's video, let me teach you the way that you can dispute a PayPal charge. Now, if you receive money from someone and you're trying to dispute that amount for any reason whatsoever, in today's video, let me show you the process. Now, in order to dispute, what you'll need to do is from the home screen of PayPal, head over to Help. From the Help section of PayPal, if you scroll down, you can see the option called How do I open a dispute with a seller? If you open up the link, you're going to see the exact steps that you need to follow. First of all, it says right here, you'll need to head over to Resolution Center. So click and open up this link. Once you're inside of this section, you need to click on Report a Problem. Now, in my case, I do not have any transactions, but if you do, you'll be able to see all of the transactions in this section and you'll be able to pick a particular transactions that you can dispute. So it says right here, click on Report a Problem, which will be in this section right here. Select the payment and then click on Continue and then select a reason for your dispute. So you're going to have these 4 reasons. Select the exact reason that you're facing and then click on Continue. This way, a dispute will be successfully created and PayPal will notify the seller so that the dispute can be resolved. So those are the few steps that you need to follow in order to dispute a charge on PayPal. I do hope this guide video was helpful. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.